Welcome to my garage, shop, studio. Here I am cutting 1/4-inch particle board for the sides of the single bay hard drives. There's 2 fronts, 2 backs, 2 tops, 2 bottoms, and 4 sides that I will cut. Right now I'm working on the fronts. I need to add this 1/2-inch particle board trim so that I have something to glue everything together with and nail. Without it, trying to hold together a 1/4-inch material is really difficult. And I use those little clamps to hold it in place till I get the brad nailer and nail the pieces permanently in. And here I'm just doing the 2 ends, and now I'm bradding it together. At this point, I have to put the center line and figure out where my holes that I gotta drill location. So that's what I'm doing. And now I'm just center punching so I have a place to drill. And I'm doing this pilot drill so that I can get the exact same location on front and back. Here I am drilling the back side of the face so that I can get a nice clean hole. If you don't do this, you can cause the material to rip and tear and you get an ugly hole. So now I'm doing the front side and you can see it's just a nice beautiful hole. So the extra step is well worth it. And I have to do both fronts. So here I'm adding the side piece, the trim pieces. And I'm sharing this so that you can see the process I'm going through, because it's a lot of tedious work, but it's well worth it because they're turning out to be really quite nice. I'm looking forward to seeing them finished. Speaking of finishing them, I'm going to have to clean them, do the final cleanup, little sanding and priming, and then they're going to get painted black. So they look just like the 3D renders. The nice thing is I have those little clamps that will keep it holding in a perfect 90-degree angle, which helps make the box nice and square. Doing the other side. Now I'm going to add the top. That one didn't quite fit as good. Oh, that one works better. I'm going to put my glue, put the top on, tack it in the corners and in the center, and it's good to go. But I've attached the bottom, and now I'm going to add the hard drive faces. I'm just test fitting them to make sure that the spacing is right and it's going to work. Here I am pre-drilling some holes to add screws that hold them in place. And I did that just in case I need to take the faces off for whatever reason. I kind of figure I'm going to have to do a little extra sanding on them and finishing. So I didn't, but I want to get the boxes built, so I wanted to get them in place. Now I'm cleaning off the shelf where it's going to go. And I installed it, and then I realized I put it upside down, so I wanted to flip it over. And now I'm clearing the space for the second hard drive bay. And I'm going to install it, and there you go.